Hi dear Gemini, very very good morning to you. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising. And keep in mind these are general readings. Journal readings, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And yeah, keep in mind this is a reading from 1st of September till the 10th of September. Okay. Let's start, Gemini. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, your partner's current energy right now is, where the hell are you going, beta? Give me a second, Gemini. Your partner's current energy right now is Knight of Cups. They're getting lots of love for you, okay? Love for you or this relationship or for something else in their life. Might be it is like they are they are carrying lots of emotions for something in their life. But yeah, this person right now is carrying lots of love for something, and they want to offer this connection or this cup of love to somebody. I will clarify their current energy. Knight of Cups. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups in their current energy, Gemini. They are definitely having lots of feelings for something or someone. It could be possible that these feelings are for you only. Let's clarify. But their current energy right now is telling me that they are right now feeling like they should offer this love to something or to somebody. Okay, let's clarify, Gemini. Strength could be dealing with the Leo here, and the Seven of Wands and the Nine of Cups. Yeah, I feel like they were holding back a lot from you. They were holding back lots of emotions for you from you, and they were acting literally weird. They were acting literally weird, defensive, cold, detached, off, and suddenly they realize that you are their wish fulfillment, or you really make them happy. Now suddenly they feel like they should offer you this cup of love. Okay, this is what is happening in their current energy. See, they were holding back a lot from like from a very long time. Might be they were acting cold and detached and off, but after after a certain period of time, I feel like this person suddenly realized that that you are their wish fulfillment. You really make them happy, and they want you to offer this cup of love. Okay, they want to offer you some kind of relationship, but this is not commitment energy. This is just an offer of love, not commitment. Okay, Gemini, this is the thing. Let's see what's your current energy right now. Your current energy right now is, Gemini. Your current energy right now is Gemini. Your current energy right now is Queen of Pentacles. So it might be possible that you are healing from something, some kind of ailment or some kind of heartache or some kind of negativity or toxicity right now. Or it could also mean that you are right now getting some kind of financial abundance in your life. Okay, you might be working on your finances from a very long time. Now this is the rewards that are coming for you. Good financial abundance is coming for you, Gemini, right now. This is your current energy, and or you are healing from something from that you were suffering from a very long time. Okay, let's clarify the Queen of Wands and Queen of Pentacles in your current energy, Gemini. Let's see. Queen of Pentacles in your current energy. The Hanged Man, and the Six of Wands and the Magician. Okay, I feel like you were stuck somewhere. You were stuck somewhere from a very long time, and you tried your best to tap into your spiritual side. The Hanged Man is like seeing things from a different perspective or trying to seek help from the universe, and the universe is literally guiding you, and you are feeling like you are going to get some kind of promotion and or some kind of recognition, and you are manifesting this. So this is a kind of like manifestation is coming to fruition for you, and that's going to make you feel really really happy. And this real happiness is coming because you are getting some kind of financial abundance. It could be financial abundance, it could be emotional abundance, but there is some kind of abundance that you are going to feel like in these 10 days after being stuck for a very long time at a certain period, at a certain thing or at a certain point. Now you are coming out of this. Now you are getting some kind of recognition and awards, or rewards, and this is kind of manifestation that is coming to fruition. Okay, this is what is happening with like in your current energy, Gemini. Okay, let's see what your partner feels for you, their feelings for you, Gemini. Let's see what this partner person feels for you, their feelings for you. Yeah, get me like this. Yeah, what this person feels for you, Gemini, their feelings for you. Let's see. Strength, Leo. Could be dealing with the Leo here. You remember you got Leo like in the current energy as well. I feel like that. Yeah. Certainly, you guys are going to deal. You are dealing with a Leo, or there's strong Leo in their chart, or Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Okay, so this person right now is holding back. They are just holding back their feelings from you. They are not revealing the true feelings, and I feel like this is kind of feminine energy of holding back and caring and being courageous and acting courageous. And this person right now is feeling like they should work on the moksha thing. Okay, they should be they are right now feeling very very spiritual and spiritually connected to the universe, and they are feeling like, yeah, they should tame their inner loyal and lion, and they should be courageous. And this is kind of holding back as well, not showing their true feelings to you, not showing you their true feelings to you. Okay, let's clarify the strength card, Gemini. Let's clarify the strength card. Let's see. Knight of Swords, the Queen of Swords, the Tower. Yes, this person wants to rush towards you, and this person wants to come running back to you, but they are trying to hide their feelings, conceal their feelings, because they feel like this is not going to work out. They are scared of the Tower moment. They are scared of the end of this relationship. They are scared of the result of this relationship. They feel like they should come towards you, but they are trying to hide their feelings, conceal their feelings, and they are feeling like the that nothing is working out. This relationship will never work out, and that's why they are holding back their feelings from you. Okay, they feel like they should come towards you, but they feel like this is not going to work out at all between you guys, Gemini. That's why they are feeling like they should hold back. Cool. Let's see what this person wants from you, Gemini. Let's see what this person wants from you. Okay, let's see. Four of Wands. See, this person wants to marry you. They want a marriage and or a solid committed relationship with you. They want to have a celebration with you. They want to celebrate life with you. This is 1111. This is angel number, and they want to have a stable relationship with you and or committed relationship with you. And for some of you, it is marriage card as well. Okay, they want to have this, but they are holding back right now because they feel like this is not going to work out. See, I told you, this person feels like this is not going to work out. That's why they're holding back, but deep inside this person have lots of love for you. See, their current energy, the Knight of Cups, and their energy as what they want from you is the Four of Wands. Okay, let's clarify the Four of Wands as what they want from you. Let's see. Let's see. The World, the Fool, the Ten of Wands in reverse. See, this person is feeling like although this relationship is over, this person is feeling like, yeah, this relationship has gone through a cycle and the cycle is completed. And what they want from you is they want you to restart this connection all over again, without thinking about the past or future, without thinking about what happened in the past, and release the burden. Okay, this is taking the responsibilities. This is like, I feel like there's no difference between upright and reverse Ten of Wands. I feel both are the same, but in this case I'm feeling like this person wants to release, this person wants you to release the tension and start this connection all over again. There is this person feels like, yeah, this relationship is over, completely over. The cycle is over. The cycle is completed between us guys now, and we should just restart. And especially you, they feel like you should do that. They should you should give this connection another chance and take a leap of faith with them and release the burden. Whatever burden you are feeling right now, just release the burden. Okay, this is what they want from you. Cool. Let's see what is coming towards you till the 10th of September, Gemini. Let's see what is coming towards you till the 10th of September. Let's see. King of Wands. I feel like this person is coming back towards you because King of Wands is the energy of highly passionate energy, and they are going to take the risk, and they are not going to hide anything from you. And this is kind of sexual energy, very passionate sexual energy is coming towards you, and not sexual for everybody, but yes, definitely passionate for most of you. Okay, and this person wants is going to reconnect with you. They want to have a conversation with you, and they will have a conversation with you because they are ready to take the risk of their life with you, and they are wearing their heart on their sleeves, and they feel like, I'm going to take the risk, I'm going to talk to this person. What they are going to do, like eventually they will reject me, this is the worst that could happen to me, but I'm going to take the risk. They're ready to take the risk for you. Okay, they want to take the risk for you and communicate with you. Let's clarify the King of Wands as a potential outcome for you, Gemini. Let's see. Five of Cups, the Eight of Swords, and Three of Swords. My God. Although this person is coming towards you, I feel like this person is deeply sad, regretting the loss that they lost you, and they are regretting the loss. They are right now emotionally cold and off on. They are right now conflicted, feeling like they're in some kind of jail, and they're in some kind of mental jail, deeply heartbroken. See, this person is deeply heartbroken and shattered and not able to come out of the situation. They're feeling like they're blindfolded by something, they're bounded by something, and they're not able to come out of this, and they are deeply heartbroken. They feel like sad and depressed, and they are trying to heal from a situation, but they are right now deciding that because they're hurt, because they are deeply hurt, because they are conflicted, because they're regretting what they did in the past, or because they're regretting your loss, this person is coming back to you because of all the shit that they are going through right now. They're definitely coming towards you with highly passionate energy. They're not going to give a shit about your feelings or your emotions. They are just coming, and they will feel like, yeah, what will happen, the worst, what will, like, uh, what is the worst that could happen to me if I'm going to go to this person. They are ready for the worst. They're ready for the worst and coming back to you with highly passionate energy. Okay, Gemini. So thank you so much, Gemini, for tuning in. God bless you. I'll see you soon in the next video. This is Anjali Chao. Namaste. Bye bye.